Atma Namaste, everyone. Let's start with an opening invocation. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chapoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to each and every person joining this session, to Rhonda Byrne, and each and every person connected to this book. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, all of you, for joining. So I hope we are doing the activities every day, because I am doing these activities every day. And I wanted to show all of you that I can't find it in my wallet. It was somewhere in my wallet. But I'll show you what you have to do with that, currency note. Oh, I got it. So see, this is what you have to do. This is a 10 rupee note, and I've written on this, thank you for the money that I have been given throughout my life. And I have put it in my wallet, and I keep it, somewhere on my desk where I work. And I use it, look at it, and I'll just say, so you all can do the same, and it's a sticker that I have stuck on it with a tape. This is something that you can do from yesterday's activity, and I have already done it, and I shared it on the group, and a lot of you messaged me saying the image wasn't clear because of the flashlight. So this is what you have to do, and you can do it, keep it in your wallet, you can stick it in your wardrobe. So whenever you open your wardrobe, you can just look at this and say that affirmation. Regarding that, another technique that we used, we shared yesterday, I will share about it soon, maybe not on this class. Tomorrow, I'll share about it. If somebody wants to know what it is about, you can WhatsApp me and I will share it. Some of you have already WhatsApped me, but like I'm really short on my schedule, so I will respond. I will definitely get back. So today is day number 6. Now till today, day number 5 activities have been completed, and we should have at least 50 things that we are grateful for. 3 relationships with 5 things that you are grateful for. Now you should already know what to feel about money, your relationships, your health, your magic rock activity, and all that you must be very well acclaimed with. Today is day number 6. It's really interesting, and it's called Works Like Magic. If you take any activity, any part, any discipline, any skill, take it and push it as far as it will go. Push it beyond where it has ever been before. Push it to the wildest edges of edges. Then you force it into the realm of magic. Tom Robbins. How can it be that a person who's born into total poverty, starts out with nothing and has very little education, goes on to become a president or a celebrity, or builds an empire and becomes one of the wealthiest people in the world? And how is it that 2 people can start out the same career, and yet one person's career goes from success to even greater successes, while the other person works himself or herself into the ground with little success, no matter how hard they try? The missing link to the success is gratitude. We already should know this. We already know this. Because according to the law of attraction, you have to be grateful for what you have to attract. For what you have to attract success to you. So without gratitude, it is impossible to have permanent success. To bring success or increase the good things in your life, job and work, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, etc., it is essential to be grateful for what you have right now. The more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in your life, you have to be grateful for what you already have. Whoever has gratitude for their work will be given more, and he or she will have abundance of it. Whoever does not have gratitude for their work, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. When you are grateful for your job, you will automatically give more to your work. And when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and the success that is returned to you. If you are not grateful for your job, you will automatically give less. You understand? Remember, we were talking about this yesterday. Once you start becoming grateful for something, you just feel so much love for that particular thing that you are willing to walk that extra mile. When you are willing to walk that extra mile or 3 extra steps for that particular thing, it automatically expands because you give that extra energy. So metaphysically, this is how gratitude also works. The amount you give in gratitude is exactly proportional to the amount you receive in return. You control the amount you receive by the amount of gratitude you give. Very, very strategically put, very intelligent line. I'm going to repeat this line again so that you understand. This is about receiving. So you must know, as we all are energy workers and we speak about receiving so many times, you're always talking about, you know, this one is a great receiver, this one is a poor receiver. Why does that
आपको कोई
happen?
से बात करना है तो बाहर नीचे जाके बात करने की क्या जरूरत है यहाँ?
Why does that happen? Why does that happen when if somebody is a great receiver? People say that your receiving is poor. What does that mean? There are some people, for example, I will tell you, who have issues or challenges in asking for money because they don't donate money. Example, because they don't tithe, they don't do service. So you control the amount you receive by the amount of gratitude you give. Such a beautiful line. And when I was reading this chapter today, I just have highlighted this line because it makes so much sense to me when I read it, that the amount you control in your receiving is the amount of gratitude you give. Now it is about your health, it is about your relationships, it's about your money, people that you're grateful for, even the things that you desire. So gratitude is directly proportional to your receptivity, is if I have to put it in my own words. If you are a business owner, your business's value will increase or decrease according to your gratitude. The more grateful you are for your business, your customers and your employees, the more the business will grow and increase. If you are a parent and you work in taking care of your children and managing your home, look for the things to be grateful for at this time in your life. It is often a once in a lifetime opportunity. And when you can be grateful for this time, you will attract more support. You should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work. You should not settle for anything less. If you don't feel that way about your current job, or if it's not your dream job, the way to receive your dream job is just being grateful for what you have right now. Today, imagine that you have an invisible manager whose job is to keep a record of the thoughts and feelings you have about your job. Okay? Imagine that your manager will follow you wherever you go today, poised with a pen and a notebook in your hand. This is the activity. Today, in the sense, tomorrow morning, you can start with this day 6 activity. Now, what you can do is not connecting your unauthorized chords with me. You can imagine that I am in your imagination going with you wherever you are going, but don't like just be aware of my energetic presence, and I'm taking note of your thoughts. I'm not doing that, but I'm just saying that if you want, you can imagine a personal manager going with you, or you yourself imagine yourself as your manager, just taking note of your thoughts. Every time you find something about your job to be ungrateful for, your manager will make a note of it. Your job is to find many things as you can be grateful for. Uh, so at the end of the day, your manager has a long list for all your gratitude or the things that you are ungrateful for. The longer the list, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to your money, your work, your success, your opportunities, enjoyment, and fulfillment. Think about all the things you could be grateful for in your work. To begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job, especially during this time, guys. Like, seriously, even if there is any source, this is the time, according to my comprehension, according to my understanding, at this time of overall world, the entire world in a situation which is so unexpected. If even at this time, if somebody is finding difficulty in expressing gratefulness to the universe, if you are eating food, if you are deciding what to eat tonight, if you are picking your menu, if you are, if you are picking your outfit tomorrow, if you are sleeping in a comfortable place, if you are getting money in your bank account, trust me, these are very, very, very valid points to be grateful for in your life. Very valid points. If you are today, okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Because of yesterday's activity, remember the activity had a topic in which you have to understand the amount of money energy that is around you. Today, I kid you not, I sat in my office and for 15 minutes, I looked around. I walked in my entire office and I, in my mind, calculated the entire money energy in the form of furniture, in the form of stock, in the form of electricity that is being used, the things that I'm consuming in the form of water and coffee and anything, because everything is, I personally believe everything is money. Like I spoke yesterday, this is money, this phone is money, the the cupboard behind me is money, the chair that I'm sitting on is money. And I was like, I'm surrounded by so much of money energy, so much of it. So this, and obviously I had this realization that I had today, I actually felt an amazing shift in my prosperity consciousness. And I was able to feel so grateful about certain things. And I felt that I was being more productive at work, more positive about what I do, and proactive about what I do. So, I lost my thought because I just slipped to this. So anyway, once you start thinking about the things that you are extremely grateful for, they expand. The longer the list, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to your money, work, success, opportunities, enjoyment, and fulfillment. Think about all the things you can be grateful for in your work. To begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job, exactly what I was coming to. Think about how many people are unemployed who would give anything to do what you do. It's very, very true, especially at this time. Think about the time-saving equipment you use, such as phones, printers, and internet and computers. Think about the people you work with and the friendship you have with them. Think about the people who make your job easier, such as a receptionist, such as an office boy, an assistant, even your liaison officer, people who work for you, delivery people, anyone and everyone. Think about how good it feels when you receive your paycheck, and think about the favorite aspects of your job that you love doing. Have your invisible manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I am so grateful for dash, dash, dash. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what you can do is, like, I've already done this activity. This is the second time that I'm going to do it tomorrow. So I actually look around and see the things that I'm grateful for. And I'm telling you, I'm really telling you, magic happens at that moment. At that moment when you are grateful for things. There is so much of ignorance that we already have about the abundance that is flowing on us, through us every day. that once we become aware of that abundance, it's just more and more of that abundance. So you have to do that. The more deeply your manager can see you're feeling gratitude, the sooner your manager can start to make the magic happen in your work. It is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work that in one day that you would see the circumstances instantly improve. And this is exactly what happened today at work with me. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work. If this works like magic practice falls on a weekend, and when you are not at work, move on the next day's practice or practices, and then come back to use this magical practice on the first day that you are back at work. So this is how magic works like magic. This is the chapter, name of the chapter. That's the end of the chapter already. So the first thing that you have to do is that tomorrow is day 6. Today is day 6. You can do this activity tomorrow morning because our sessions are at night generally. Please, very humble request. Please keep your microphones on mute. So repeat steps 1, 2, 3 of magic. Count your blessings, identify relationships, think about your health, be grateful for your health. Everything that you see, in fact, what you should do is after this session gets over, sit for 15 minutes and try to identify multiple things. Again, in my first or second session, I said little and large are personalities of your ego. So, I do receive messages on my personal chats every day that is it okay to be grateful for this or that? It's okay to be grateful for even if anything that you are grateful for. You need to just flow in that energy of gratitude. Don't stop that energy of gratitude. While at work today, imagine you have invisible manager following you around, taking notes every time. Have your manager make a note each time you find something you're grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for dash, 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 and thank you, thank you, thank you. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and identify the one best thing that happened to you today. That's the end of today's chapter. Tomorrow is again very, very interesting. The magical way out of negativity, which I think nobody should miss. So yes, so that's it. Now I'm going to quickly share this again because I have got multiple messages, but I'm sorry if I'm not able to reply to all my messages because uh, I do get occupied in other things sometimes. So this is what you have to do. You have to take any currency note, and you have to stick this sticker on your note. Keep it with you. It can be any currency. Thank you for all the money that I have been given throughout my life. Now, this is what you have to do. Some of you were asking me the language. You can write in English, Hindi, your mother tongue, gibberish, P language, secret language. It does not matter at all. That's that. Now, some of you were asking me if what was that, the trick that we used yesterday. I shared the screenshot of the trick, but most of you could not completely get it. So I'm going to record this and I'm going to put it out there. It's fine because it's Rhonda's trick. It's not my trick. It is Rhonda Byrne's trick. What you need to do is that you need to get currency notes in front of you. So this is again 5,000 rupees that I have in my hand. What you need to do is that if you are willing to generate 1 lakh rupees, you need to know how, by when, and you need to have all that, and you need to know your action plan also set together as to how you're going to generate this money energy in a desired time. So now what you need to do is that you need to come into that vortex, paradigm, vibration, frequency, whatever you want to call it. Vortex, paradigm, vibration, frequency. You have to tap into that consciousness of already having that money energy with you. So suppose this is 5,000 rupees and I want to make them 5 lakh rupees, by the end of this month. So I'm going to count 5 lakhs out of these 5,000 rupees up until they become 5 lakhs. It's very, and then just keep that 5,000 rupees. So some of you are asking me, what do I do of this 5,000? You use it because it's your money. You don't have to keep it somewhere. You are just getting into that energy. You need to feel grateful within yourself of actually receiving the desired money. You can use any currency note. I'm using 500, you use 20, 2000, 5000, 10,000, 1000, 500, 150, doesn't matter. You can use, because I'm answering because these were the questions that were asked at me. If you have two 500 notes, one 1000 notes, one 100 notes, it doesn't matter, because it's just about the total amount that you want to generate, you want to uh, receive. Again, you have to feel very, very grateful. You need to have an action plan. And even if you are not a professional worker, you need to believe that you will receive this money, and you will receive it. You just have to start feeling grateful for. So now this is 5,000 rupees. Now, for example, if I want 1 lakh rupees by tomorrow, I'm going to just count 5,000 up until they become 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already have 20,000 now. Now in that screenshot, it's written that you first count from left to right, then you count from right to left. It doesn't matter. You just need to be in that energy. You need to feel already very excited about receiving that money energy. Now the thing is that please do these activities. You can share. It is, I'm telling you, uh, you will only and only experience the magic of gratitude only when you share the ideas of gratitude with people. I mean, not only, but you will also experience rapid miracles happening in your life, rapid magic happening in your life when you empower people. That's why I'm telling you to invite more people to these sessions, share the video links, ask them if they are doing them, because if you become the channel of somebody else's expansion, most of you are energy workers on this group, you already know, if you become the channel of somebody else's abundance, prosperity, good health, it flows through you. Now you can only believe me once you do it for the next 30 days, once you become that person who have actually been an instrument to empower someone. So please share the YouTube links. Ask them if they watched it. Ask them if they are doing it. Maybe you all can create your 5 new people who are obviously not on this group and do these activities with them. Do it. Only once you do it, you will see how magic will happen in your life. We all are already on a particular schedule, including me, including you all, but we all still want more things to be grateful for in our life. So we need to do these things. We will need to do. This is going to only increase. We are only on day 6. When you will come on day 20, it will be like, how much do I have to? So this is one more thing. I'm telling you, see how universe works. I just picked up my book and I wanted to show you all something, and I opened the page, and page number 165 opened of the magic check. This is how universe works. Now I'm wait for till we come to page number 165. Don't do it, but see, universe is all. I'm very serious. I opened the book and this page opened of the magic check, and I'm telling you, this is exactly how universe works. You just need to have a little faith in it, little or more faith in on universe, and I already have 2 or 3 magic checks in my wallet already. I already have them. So just wait till we come to that. But please, 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 somehow I think universe wanted me to introduce you all to this magic check technique. But anyway, when we come to page number 65, so share it, guys. Please share this. These techniques to people, share the video, ask them if they watched it. Maybe become their monitors and check if they were doing it. If they are doing it, maybe you can help them, because a lot of people will watch but will not do it because they don't know what to do. They don't know. And some of you have obviously told me about the language of communication. I will try and do it in a Hindi language, or else you please ping me, and uh, I will try and explain it to you in Hindi. But online, I'm going to only do it in English, because it's just easier for a lot of us. So that's that. I'm going to quickly read the chat. There are so many messages, and then we'll close the session. So somebody is messaging me privately and saying, what about monetary help? We do all the time, but we never receive it back. So this is a very, very good question, but that's your karma. And if you are able to help someone, trust me, you are, a very, very godlike being in somebody's life. And it's just something that you're clearing probably from somebody's from your karmic obligations towards that situation, or that person. But you will receive. Now you need to again, so see, ma'am, that you've asked me this question on a private window, so I'm not going to take your name. But the thing is that there was this line that we read today is the amount of receptivity is directly proportional to gratitude. So when you are able to help someone financially, if you really, really feel extremely grateful that you have been an instrument to somebody to help into the money energy, you will be able to receive it. You will become entitled to receive it. So gratitude is the answer to your question. Now I'm going to read more. Okay. Do we have to do it just once or every day? Do we have to do it every day or just once? Okay, okay. Okay, so some of you have already experienced magic. You can do this money technique, whatever the days that are coming into your mind right now. If it's 7 days, do it for the next 7 days. If it's just one, do it for one. If it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, do it for those many days. Somebody's messaging me that there are no currency notes now in your part of the world. If you have any older currency note, use it to write that, put that sticker on it, or you can take the print out of the currency note, black and white printout or colored printout from your Google and everything, and use it as something as a to do this activity. Even if not that, you can just visualize your bank accounts with that particular um, figure that you're wanting to manifest in your bank account. It's just the same thing. It's about just getting into that vortex, paradigm, frequency, vibration, whatever you want to call it. That's it. Okay, so I've answered all the questions. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining. Let's close. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grandmaster Chokoksui, Lord Mahaguru, G-mailing, all the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to each and every one of you, Rhonda Byrne, each and every person connected to this book, and to the prosperity energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to share the link of this video in another 10-15 minutes. And tomorrow is Magic Way Out of Negativity. Please join, invite more and more people. The more people do it in the in an alignment of a particular 24 hours, become an instrument to somebody's abundance, happiness, and joy, and you will fly. I'm telling you, try it, try it, try it. The people that you have introduced, you can probably check with them once a day, humbly, gently. Are you doing these activities? You must do it. You can maybe just, if you have that kind of liberty with them, you can ask them a little in a stern way to do it, because if somebody else feels empowered because of your time, it's your service, and it's something that flows through you. So that's my personal experience, and I hope you will only be able to believe what I'm saying once you become the channel. Yes, okay, you have to show gratitude about the things that you don't have, but gratitude kind of begins from firstly acknowledging the things that you have. What you need to do is that on day one, uh, introduction day video, we have to write the desires that we need to manifest in whatever 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and lifetime. You just have to already feel grateful for, because they are already in that energy world, and you have to believe that you will receive that. So yes, that's one of the ways to feel gratitude for things that you will receive very soon. You can do that. Is there anything else? All right, so I'm signing off, and see you all tomorrow. Bye.